Welcome to PVT Computer Education. Today we'll be exploiting a database which has to do with my SQL database. We're going to see how hackers are able to hack into company database. So please, this is purely hacking and is for educational purpose. You don't have to try it, neither do you have to use it against any company without permission. This tutorial is actually for those people who want to do penetration testing when it comes to cybersecurity. Please, and also just help me to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, share, like, and I'm going to go a little deep in this tutorial. Just follow me step by step. Now let's go. The first thing you're going to do is to open your Kali Linux operating system. Now I log into my Kali Linux operating system. Right, then the next I'm going to do is to open a terminal. Right, is to open a terminal. Right. Then when I open a terminal, then I ping for the let me enter sudo then Kali, right? Then I ping for the targeted IP address. I'm targeting IP address 192.168.10.5. Then I enter. Then I stop, Control C to stop it. So essence of this pinging, if you've been watching my video, you understand. Essence of this pinging is to see whether the server is actually up and running, because you cannot hack a server who is not running, right? That's to tell me I have sent a request, I've got a response back that the server is actually running. So the next we're going to do is to scan for the port number for this IP address to get the port number that wants to hack on. Now we and the server that also running on the port number. Then I enter again sudo su. I open on that terminal, enter sudo su. Then I mmap, then I scan. I'm scanning mmap sv, the port number, which is this is our target port number, which has to do with 3306, and this is our target IP, right? Then I entered. Please, you know what database is all about. Database is all where information, record of a company are being stored. Your password, your username, your MasterCard detail are actually stored in the database. So if any hacker able to have access to your database, that may have taken a total authority over that database. Now this is it has opened. This is the port number. This is the open. You know what is open and open port. We're seeing the TCP is running on TCP, and this is the state, which is open. Service is MySQL. Version of the server is MySQL. Can see the version of the server. Good. The next thing we are going to do now, right, is to begin to search for this thing. So this server running. So now let's go to good. You type ms. Let me open on the terminal. You said sudo su again. This another terminal. Say sudo su. I enter, then curly. I enter, right? Then when I enter curly, then I type ms console -q, then I enter. Then you wait for it a little bit to open. It's going to take time for it to open. So then I think I've opened another terminal before where I type it for the purpose of the video. Now this is where it has opened. Then I want to search for my SQL. Search for my SQL, right? Good. I search for my SQL. You can see a lot of information has actually opened for us to exploit the database, right? You can see a lot of we can use to exploit the database. So what are we looking? We are trying to exploit the login. So let's search for the login. Let's search for it. Okay, I think this is it. Okay, yes, it is. This is it. This is it. Okay, let me scroll very well. This is it. 32. 32, right? Now let's go down. Let's use 32. Let's use 32. Let me clear. Right now let's use 32. Use 32. Right, I enter. Good. I use 32. What happens? It entered, right? Then here, let me show option. Show options. Good. I show options. You can see the different options that able to show. You can see this is the port number, right? This is the host. The host said the targeted host, which is going to be our address. Now we have pass file, password. We have blank to be true, right? Good. Now the next we are going to do is to set. I want to set it to be true first. Then I will copy this. Just copy this. I copy this. Then I set it to be true. Set to be true. I paste. Right? Then let me take it a little back. Right? Then I entered. Good. You can see a password has set to be truth. Now the next thing we are going to do, the next we are going to do is to make sure that we set our username to be true. You can see here. You can see, okay, let's set our host. Let's set our host. Copy. Let's set our host. Copy. I set a host. Set. Then I paste it. A host. Then our IP address, which is 92.168.10.5, right? Then I entered. Now show option again. Show options. I show options again. Let's look at it. Good. We are able to rehost the IP address, right? Now the next we are going to do is to set the password. Now we are going to be using what I call word list. right? Word list is used to try to guess a password. We can create a word list. So today we are going to be using a word list from um, from um, from Carolinus. We're going to be using a word list from Carolinus, right? So so let's go there. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to copy this password file. I'm going to copy this again, right? Then I copy, then I take it down. Please follow me step by step. Then set, right? I paste it. I paste it here. Then I'm going to use, like I said, I'm going to be using word list to try to figure out the password and all that, right? Then what I do, I open another terminal. I I open another terminal, right? Then I will type locate password. Sorry, locate password. This word list we are looking locate password. Let me say password. Okay, let me locate password. Good. Now this is I'm trying to locate password in our Linux operating system. So then I enter. Wow, you can see a lot of metasploitable that you can use to exploit different port number. You can see these are word lists. You can use this word list to do what? To run. Now look at it, look at all the whole word list here. So I'm looking for the one that has to do with database. Let me look for one that has to do with database. Good, I think I can make use of this. I think I can make use of this word list, right? Then I will copy this. I will copy this. I will copy this, yes, for DB. I will copy this. Let me copy this. Oh, sorry. Um, I copy, right? I will go back to the terminal where I was before. Is it here? No, 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 no. Good, this is where I was. Set a password, right? Then I just copy what I copied, I paste it here. Good, good. Now you can see what he have able to copy. Now let me do something. Let me say cat, right? Cat, then I paste. Good. You can see different permutation, just like trying to from this now to guess the password, right? You can see admin this, right? Beautiful. Now this is for password, right? Now the next we're going to do is to look for the one for user file. User file, can see username root. Then let's look for user file too. Then I copy this, then I set it again, then I paste it. Good. Now I'm going to look for word list of disks, right? Good. Now let me go here. Let me find. I think this time I will not use it, right? Now let me locate. Good. User dot what? User dot txt. Then I enter. Good. We can see different word list for user.txt. I'm going to choose this again. This has to do with DB database. Then I copy, right? Then I goes to where I'm coming from. Sorry. Okay, please let's okay, no. Why? Mm, mhm. No, it's not here. Okay, good. This is where we are. Then I paste it here. I paste it here again, right? Then I enter. Good. Now, if I say cut again, cut, then I paste it here again, right? Then I enter. You can see you have also given me permission to get some. So then, if I show option, let me clear, so that you people will see what I'm doing very well. Let me clear. If I show option now, show options. Now you can see the password has the word list, right? Permutation. Now we can see we have set the port number as it is. We have set the IP. We have set the password file. We have also able to make it to be true as it is, right? So now the next we're going to do is to run. Let's run. Let's run. It's trying to run. Good. Found a remove my SQL version 0.5. Good. Let me have found it. Nice one. Good. So connected. Okay. We are logging. Okay. We are going to be using this. Still trying to pull out some information for us. Good. It said, okay. It said this. You can see the IP number. You can see the port number. It said you can open a MySQL session with this credential, and the credential session set to be what? True. That means we can able to access this now. Now follow me. Let's open another terminal. Let's open another terminal so that we can slot to the database now. Let's say, let me type sudo MySQL, then sudo -u root, which is the credential. Then we can use the host, which is the IP address of our target, right? Let's see whether we can able to connect to my SQL database now. I entered. Then Kali. Mm, boom. That is nice. That is we're able to connect to the database. This is a nice one. This is a nice one. So the next we're going to do, let's see the database. Let's say show database. Show database basis, right? We must terminate. You enter. Boom. Nice one, nice one. We are able to see the different, these are different, this is the database, these are different database name, these are different database name, right? These are different database name. Now the next we're going to do is, okay, let's use this, let's use this, let's use this. Enter. What do you say? Oh, I did not terminate, sorry. I did not terminate. I think it's a use. Oh, okay. Okay, yes, it work fine. See my SQL, good. Can see you have changed the directory. Good. Now the next time I'm going to do is to show table. Let's see the table that are inside this database. If you know about database very well, you will know what I'm doing. This is a database name, and there are tables inside the database. Now let's show the database. Let's show the table. the tables, I think, yeah, and enter. Boom. You can see we have this is the table. These are different table: account, block table, capture data, credit card. I see different table in now. How do we get, let's see, let's use credit card. Let's see information about what credit card. We're going to write SQL statements. SQL statement will say select all. Asterisk is or, select or, right? From this credit card. Let me copy. I don't want to be typed so that we'll not be having errors. From credit card. Then I paste. I enter. Then terminate, from learn to be terminate always. Then I enter. Boom. So we have the information we want from the database. We have the CCV number, CD, this expiring date. So we are able to hack into the database and get all this information in the database. Please, like I said, this is for educational purpose. You don't try this. When you said police is your friend, when you commit something, that when you know that police is not your friend, please try to be wise with what you are learning here. Try to use it as a pen tester, not to hack into database, right? You must seek permission before trying to hack into anybody's database, into company database, right? So let's stop from here. You can on your own try a different table. If I want to try account, let me do the last one. Let me say select from account. Let me try the last one. You can try let me just try this one. Select select all from accounts. Then terminate, enter. Boom. Can see more information. See username, password, my signature is admin. Can see people's name. This is how hackers gain access into company database. It's as simple as this. So please, this is for educational purpose. Please help your man by subscribing to my channel. I promise you, I'm going to show you deep things that you need to know when it comes to hacking. Thank you and God bless you. See you.